Friends, imagine switching on your PC, and your Windows doesn't just open apps, but actually understands how you work, adapts to your habits, and runs faster without you changing any settings. That may sound futuristic, but as we approach the end of 2025, this future is becoming very real. The internet is currently full of news, leaks, and confusion about Windows 12. Some say it's canceled, some say it's revolutionary, and others believe it's just Windows 11 with a new name. In today's detailed and practical video, we are going to clear all that confusion once and for all. In this video, we'll cover what Windows 12 really is, what the 25H1 update means, the latest confirmed updates, new AI features, system requirements, a step-by-step free upgrade guide, Windows 10 versus Windows 11 differences, expected prices and global performance tips, and common mistakes that you must avoid. If you are still using Windows 10 or already on Windows 11, this video is extremely important for you, so make sure you watch it till the end. What is Windows 12? The reality check. First of all, let's clear the biggest myth. Microsoft is not officially launching an operating system called Windows 12. Instead, Microsoft is releasing a major update internally known as 25H1. However, this is not a normal feature update like 22H2 or 23H2. According to insiders and OEM partners, 25H1 is a full operating system level refresh. Technically, the name will remain Windows 11, but practically it behaves like a next-generation Windows, similar to how Windows 11 was a major change from Windows 10. Release date and latest updates. Talking about the release timeline, Microsoft has confirmed that the 25H1 update is planned for late 2025, starting with OEM devices like Dell, HP, and Lenovo. The rollout will happen phase-wise. OEM devices will receive it first at the end of November, while regular Windows Update users can expect it from December onwards. The latest internal build is based on 24H1 and brings up to 20% performance improvement along with stronger security patches. The system is also moving towards a modular UI architecture, which means better customization and stability. What's new in Windows 12/25? H1. One of the biggest highlights of this update is deep AI integration. Windows is no longer just an operating system. It is becoming an AI-powered platform. Copilot Plus is deeply integrated into the system, allowing natural language commands, smarter search, summarization, and automation. For full AI features, an NPU or neural processing unit becomes extremely important. Another major change is the modular and customizable user interface. The Start menu, taskbar, widgets, and system elements can be customized much more freely. Current reports also suggest a cleaner and ad-free experience compared to earlier builds. Multitasking also receives a big upgrade with Snap Layouts 3.0. Window grouping becomes smarter, layout suggestions are AI-based, and switching between workflows is much faster and smoother. For laptops, Windows 25H1 brings better ARM optimization, improved power efficiency, and up to 50% better battery life. Background processes are more efficient, and standby performance is significantly improved. Important notice for Windows 10 users. If you are still using Windows 10, this section is extremely important for you. Microsoft has ended expanded security updates for Windows 10, which means security risks will increase over time. There is no direct upgrade path from Windows 10 to 25H1. You must first move to Windows 11 using a genuine license and then upgrade to 25H1 for free. Skipping this step or using unofficial methods is not recommended. System requirements. Is your PC ready? The minimum system requirements remain similar to Windows 11, but enforcement is much stricter. You will need a 64-bit CPU, Intel 8th generation or newer, AMD Ryzen 2000 series or newer, TPM 2.0 enabled, and an SSD. While 8GB RAM is the minimum requirement, 16GB RAM is highly recommended for smooth performance, especially for AI features. For full functionality, you should also keep at least 20GB of free storage. Free upgrade, guide for Windows, 11 users. If you are already using Windows 11, upgrading to 25H1 will be free. First, make sure to back up your important data using OneDrive or an external hard drive. Then go to Settings, open Windows Update, and click on Check for Updates. If 25H1 is available for your device, it will start downloading automatically. The update size can be between 5 to 10 gigabytes, so a stable internet connection is recommended. Installation can take between 30 to 60 minutes and may include 2 or 3 system restarts. After the upgrade, update your drivers using your manufacturer's support app such as HP Support Assistant or MyASUS and run a Windows Defender scan for safety. Common mistakes you must avoid. Many users face issues like, "This PC cannot run Windows 12." In such cases, do not use registry hacks or unofficial tools. Avoid using mobile hotspots during the update process and always use a stable internet connection. Never skip backups, and do not download unofficial ISO files. If you face issues, Microsoft Support Chat is available for free and is very helpful. Performance and optimization tips. After upgrading, disable SSD defragmentation, clean unused files, and keep enough free storage. Users will also get full Hindi, Bengali keyboard support, and better regional app optimization. Pricing and international market details. For users who are already running Windows 11, the upgrade to the 25H1 update will be completely free across all supported regions. Microsoft is continuing its policy of offering major feature updates at no additional cost for eligible devices, as long as the hardware meets the required specifications. Internationally, the cost of a Windows 11 license typically ranges between $99 to $139, depending on the edition and region. These licenses are available through Microsoft's official website and authorized global retailers. Windows 12, or rather the 25H1 update, is not just another update. It is faster, more secure, deeply integrated with AI, and designed for future hardware. If you are already on Windows 11, you are fully ready. If you are on Windows 10, upgrading soon is highly recommended to stay secure and future-proof. So friends, this was the complete and honest guide to Windows 12, also known as 25H1. Let me know in the comments whether you are planning to upgrade or build a new PC. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more practical and informative tech videos. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much for watching.